Surah Al Imran 396, it says, Inna wala baytim wudiya linnasi lalladhi bi Bakkata mubarakam wa hudal lil alameen. The first house placed for people is that with Becca, a place of blessing and a guidance for all worlds. Now in this ayah you will note that Allah is describing the first house, and that everybody here in the hall and all of us know this, which house we are talking about? Kaaba. The first house is Kaaba. This is the first house placed for mankind. It is a guidance and a blessing for all worlds. Mubarakam wa hudal lil alameen. For all times, from all worlds. This is first house. So all mankind have to take guidance from the first house. From the Kaaba, from the Baytul Haram, from the Masjid Haram, the sacred mosque. How will you take guidance from the sacred mosque? Do you mean the building, the Kaaba, from the physical house? That you'll take guidance from there? Like the Dhalikal Kitab, La Raiba Fi Hudal Muttaqin. That this is a book, does not have a doubt, a guidance to those who guard. You read an ayah, the Kitab, it is referring to the book of Allah, that it is a guidance for those who guard. Similarly, the first house is the guidance for the worlds. How will you take guidance from that place? I will tell you how. Surah Al Imran 397. فيه آيات بينات مقام إبراهيم ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا وَمَنْ كَفَرَ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ عَلِ الْعَالَمِينَ. In it are clear ayahs, signs, the standing position of Ibrahim. Whoever enters in it attains security. And for Allah is pilgrimage of the house on the people, those who can afford the journey to it. And if anyone rejects, so surely Allah is not needful from the worlds. In this ayah, I'm just making a point that in the house of Allah, Allah gave him an honor. Allah gave Ibrahim al-Islam an honor as Maqam Ibrahim. Fihi ayatum bayyinatum Maqam Ibrahim, in the house of Allah. In the house of Allah, Allah gave Ibrahim al-Islam an honor, the standing position of Ibrahim al-Islam. So that standing position of Ibrahim al-Islam is referred in the Quran. He is the Imam, that is the honor in the house of Allah. Where the Imam stands and leads the prayer is Maqam Ibrahim, is the standing position of Ibrahim. So that Imam, the leader where he prays, is the Maqam Ibrahim. So now Surah Baqarah 2 and Ayah 125. وَإِذْ جَعَلْنَا الْبَيْتَ مَثَابَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَأَمْنًا وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى وَعَهِدْنَا إِلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْمَاعِيلَ أَن طَهِّرَا بَيْتِيَ لِلطَّائِفِينَ وَالْعَاكِفِينَ وَالرُّكَّعِ السُّجُودِ. And when we made the house a place of reward and safety for people, and you take the place of Salah, the prayer, from the standing position of Ibrahim, and we covenanted with Ibrahim and Ismail that they should purify my house for those who go around and use as etikaf or retreat, and for those who bow prostrate. Now in this ayah, our main emphasis is وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى. And you take the place of Salah, prayer, from the standing position of Ibrahim. So what I was referring to, now you have to take, you people, all of us have to take the Salah from the standing position of Ibrahim. So do you find that footstool, from there you will take your Salah? Hello? وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَّقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ مُصَلًّى. وَاتَّخِذُوا means you take. Mim maqam means the standing positions, the station, the status, from the standing position of Ibrahim, your Salah. Musalla means the place of prayer, this Musalla. So we know for sure that the Imam that leads prayer is the standing position of Ibrahim. So from that position of Ibrahim, you take your Salah, wherever you are in the world. So now you know the format, how you get the format. Allah did not say you find books and find out how the salah is being ordered. The salah is ordained in the house of God, and the standing of position of Ibrahim is ordained in the house of Allah. So everybody all over the world have to take the half, the sacred mosque from the sacred mosque intersection, is that is the salah. From the standing position of Ibrahim, from the status and honor that the Imam leads to prayer. I am not following the Imam. He may have some wrong. We are not talking about the concepts of Imam. What concepts is a Shafi or what you humbly, what you call. No. The format of the Salah. We have to take the format. وَاتَّخِذُوا مِن مَقَامِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ صَلَّى. It is the whole, in one word, he gave the whole full status. The timings. You see, everything is in one word. Musalla. Musalla means place of prayer. Musalla means place of prayer. So you take your salah from where? From the musalla of Ibrahim, the standing maqam Ibrahim. So Imam is leading, where Imam is praying in the Masjid Haram, the sacred mosque, you have to take your salah from there.